When doing cross-border e-commerce, logistics is a big problem. Air freight is expensive and sea freight is slow. Is there a cost-effective transportation method? You might consider international railway transportation. Railway transportation has low cost, large transportation volume, low price, and the average speed ranks second among the 5 basic transportation modes, second only to air transportation. In addition, it has good stability, less transfer, high safety, and high punctuality rate. So, which products are most suitable for rail transportation? Heavy or large goods such as furniture, auto parts, and mechanical equipment. High-value goods that require stable transportation such as digital 3C and small appliances. And seasonal goods such as Christmas gifts which need to be prepared 60 days in advance are all suitable. However, it is recommended to choose air transportation for jewelry and luxury goods to ensure timeliness. Rail transportation restricts the transportation of hazardous chemicals, such as flammable and explosive gasoline and corrosive sulphuric acid. DR Trans's railway solution for cross-border e-commerce after booking, collecting, and packing will be exported through customs clearance at government-supported points, and finally arrive at the destination for customs clearance and pickup after changing tracks. It is a good choice for cross-border e-commerce logistics. If you have railway transportation needs, contact us now.